What's up, y'all, and welcome to a vlog. I'm just gonna start vlogging. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and I don't really know what this is gonna be. But I'm going to go get my nails done, and I have had to get gel nails for the longest time because if you haven't kept up with me, I broke my finger by slamming it into a car door, and then my real nail fell off, and it has been growing back ever since. And finally, it's at a length where I can get tips on my nails again, and I'm so excited. So I'm going to go to the nail salon today and get tips on my nails, which I haven't been able to do for literally 3 months. Also, I had to be at my school for practice for something today for 4 hours. I woke up at 8 and had to be there till 1. That wasn't too fun, but I figured I would just vlog. Don't mind me just getting my shoes. I look good today and I wanted to document it, so that's what I'm gonna do. I curled my hair. I actually slept in braids last night and it looked really good for this morning while I was at the school because I had to like film a bunch of stuff, but it kind of fell out, so, and then it just looked weird because some was curly and some was straight, so I just put a curler through it a tiny bit. And y'all, I do not know how to curl hair. I don't know how to do hair in general, so it may look a little bad, but you gotta give me a break. I'm working, I'm learning. Here's my ugly basic fit. This is just this oversized long tee from Seaside, Florida, and it has the same thing on the back. These are just black leggings from Forever 21. These are my Tommy slides, but we're gonna go to the nail salon right now, and then I'm either gonna go hang out with Cole tonight or go hang out with my family. Haven't decided yet. Also, I'm gonna be driving my car. I have like barely been practicing driving, and my driver's test is less than a month away. If you guys don't know, I got a white Mini Cooper. That was my birthday present from my parents, and I love it so much. But the thing is, I really haven't had time to practice driving, so I'm gonna be driving to the nail salon. Y'all, look, I got this new steering wheel cover for my car, and it's so cute. It's just sunflowers because everybody knows that's my brand. And then it also comes with a little keychain for your car as well that's sunflower, and a little cup holder that's also, and it all just matches, and it makes me really happy. So don't worry, my mom is coming with me. I still have my permit. You literally can't see my face. I still have my permit, which means I'm not allowed to drive without an adult. Hopefully we'll be getting the license. My license test is March 17th, and if you don't see me post that I got my license, I probably failed, and don't rub it in. Ooh, the mail guy's here. Plug in my phone and we're gonna listen to some jams, and I will not be vlogging, but get used to this angle because it will be happening in the future, hopefully. You've never been on my vlog in a long time.
Yeah, I disappeared from your vlog for a long time. Your fan will miss me.
They missed you?
Yeah, because you didn't talk about me for a long time.
Well, you were gone.
Stay still, Katie.
Okay. My goodness. Kind of long. Kate cut me while she was filing my nails. But I did white, and then we're gonna do fun design. She says it's ugly, but I like it.
Stay still. Goodness.
So I just left getting my nails done at Allure back there, and Kate finally got to do my nails. She hadn't got to do them for the last 2 times because she hasn't been here because she went back to college. But y'all, they look so good. I got cow nails.
Can I see?
Yes, look at my cow nails.
Those are cool.
You like them?
Oh wait, no.
This is what they look like.
Wait.
They're just cows all over them, and I love them. They look so good. They're extra, and so am I. Okay, time to drop cam off, edit to a friend's house. So I'm just now done playing Carpool Uber Mom. I dropped my little brother off at a sleepover, my older brother off at a sleepover, and now I'm back at my house, and I'm going to take myself to Avalon, where Cole and I are gonna have a date and go out to dinner, and then my parents are gonna take this car from Avalon and drive it to their date. But I'm back at my house. The nails are so good. Kate killed it. I love when she does my nails because she never disappoints. Also, my hair still looks really good. I love the way that it looks. I like it a lot. Nails are done. Now we're gonna go eat. Hopefully I make the reservation because I'm running late. He's already there and I'm not even left my house. It takes me like 15 minutes to get there, and I have 9 minutes before the reservation is up. So I definitely am gonna be late, but my parents are taking forever! 15 minutes late, but we made it to our reservation.
45 minutes early, made it to the reservation.
Cole was standing outside for 45 minutes, didn't even get the booth. I thought you were just gonna be sitting in
Hey,
here.
you're lucky I got a booth. Only real men get their girlfriend's booths.
But we're at this place, Ted's. We came here for homecoming, and they have my favorite salad in the whole wide world, which is literally just Caesar chicken salad, but it's so good.
I get bison.
Are you actually?
Yes.
He's getting bison. Literally those roam in the wild.
There's one on the wall over there.
Ew! Okay.
Want me to take a picture of it?
No, please
Have you
don't.
seen it?
Please don't. That's the bison that Cole's gonna be eating. Hey, Cole.
Okay.
That's the scariest thing ever. There's literally a mirror. So I already started eating, but I got salad.
They messed mine up, so ready?
This is up and I had
Ready?
to send it back for him.
Ready? Oh no,
That
it
is
fell.
giant. Can you take one big bite? We've been
Finished
okay.
eating at Ted's.
Okay there. I forgot to leave my glasses in my car and now I look so dumb. At 8 o'clock with sunglasses on my head.
Yeah, that's...
I don't know what the plan is. We're gonna get ice cream
Look at
later.
that blue Audi.
Ooh,
Wow.
wait, that's pretty. The valet people purposely park the nice cars in the front.
I don't want friends, I want Audis. Ooh!
What is this? That's a Bentley? Range Rover?
Trippy pulled up in a Bentley.
We can't afford anything here.
No, we can. You see that G-Wagon? It's mine. Daddy paid
We can
for it.
afford the Chick-fil-A. Maybe
And
not
Ted's.
even.
It's time to go for a spin in my new car.
You wish that was your car. Oh, the meme! Look at the dog!
What? How
The
did you-
Walter dog meme. Wait, can you search stuff on it?
Oh my God, you
You
can.
can search. Cole, put my YouTube channel. Look, it's me on the screen of Avalon. No, don't change it.
Stop.
Don't change it.
Katie.
Cole and I put up our favorite meme. Do you fart fish?
You fart.
You probably noticed this meme in a few of my videos because I always pop it in there, but we're gonna leave it now. We're in Urban Outfitters and I found this Calvin Klein sports bra, but I know if I buy anything, my parents are gonna roast me because every time I go out, I buy something. I'm in the bathroom right now, but fun fact about Caiti, I get really scared going into public restrooms if I'm not with another girl who could go in there with me. And I don't know if it's just like a paranoia thing or something. I watch so many murder documentaries that like I'm scared someone's gonna kidnap me. So I always go into family bathrooms when I'm like out with Cole and I have to pee. He'll go to the men's bathroom and I go to the family one because I'm scared. There's like a little baby bathroom in here. It's really cute. I don't know. We just like pretty much walked all of Avalon. There's a lot of shops. I'm on a spending break right now because I can't spend any more money. I'm trying to cut myself off. But we're gonna get ice cream. We just have to decide where because there's literally like 6 different places you could get ice cream here. Let me go outside because he's probably waiting for me. Yep, that's what I thought. Do you like my nails? We got ice cream. Show them yours. Cole got a tiny little cone and I got a cup and I got a little cone and I have a baby shovel. We're eating in front of this glass window and everybody that walks by can see us. Guess what, guys? A girl catcalled Cole. I've never seen a guy get catcalled before until tonight. The girl likes Cole.
That's what happens when you're dating a beautiful boy.
I know.
You should flex me.
I do flex you.
No, you don't.
Are you kidding me?
Yummy.
Girl, you
You're
got
cold
that yummy, yummy.
Katie has cold lips.
It's from ice cream.
Do you have any cookies and cream on my cheek?
No. Hi, Cole. You're running away from me. Are you scared? Don't be shy. Put some more.
Oh no.
Put some more, Cole. Put some more. Don't be shy. Put some more.
Oh no.
What is up, party people? So it is now Sunday, and I never really ended this vlog from yesterday, but I did go shopping at the mall today with my family, and remember how I said I wasn't spending money? Well, I broke that rule. I really didn't spend that much money though. I wanted to show you guys the stuff that I got really quick before I end this because I thought it would be interesting and make this vlog a little bit longer. I'm trying to produce like longer videos on this channel, but it's not working. I got stuff from 3 different places, but originally my mom and my family and I went to the mall because my mom and I needed bikinis. Spring break is coming up soon, and I literally went through all my bikinis and I probably had 50, and I gave away ones that didn't fit, threw ones away that were like bad and didn't look good anymore, gave them to my friends, my family, all that kind of stuff. So I have like 3 bikinis now that kind of fit me. I think I have 1 that actually fits and then 2 that are like small but work, you know? And I just got back from the beach with my friend Bella, and I'm going back to the beach with Cole in April for spring break, so I just really needed bikinis. That's the reason that we went there, and then I tried on so many, and either they were so expensive, didn't fit right, or I just didn't like them. I fell in love with 2 bikinis. One was Calvin Klein and one was Tommy Hilfiger, but they were $75 each. Just the top was $75 and the other one, just the top, was $70. It was so expensive for no reason, and then I tried on more and I just didn't like them. That's the moral of the story, but I did buy more stuff, and that's what I'm gonna show you now. I'm just gonna make a little tripod right here. Not a great angle, but it's okay. Also, still in love with my nails. I've literally gotten so many compliments on my nails. When Cole and I were at dinner yesterday, our server complimented me, which was so cool. While we were in Macy's, when I tried on that $75 Tommy Hilfiger bikini top, I ended up getting something because I really liked it. I found this Calvin Klein sports bra, and I love Calvin Klein. Their underwear are one of my favorites. I'm wearing some right now. I found this red Calvin Klein sports bra, and it's really cool because the waistband is like different than any I've seen before. You know, they have like the basic gray ones with the white waistband. This one has black with blue lettering, and then it says 1981, and it's also just red. There's no pads in it, which I love, and it's just completely seamless, so it just has the waistband. It was on sale too. Originally it was $32, but this was on sale for 40% off. Don't know why, but I got it for $19, so pretty much $20 for this Calvin Klein sports bra, and I love it, and I can't wait to wear it. So that was a good find, a good purchase if you do say so myself. Then we went into Forever 21, and the Forever 21 in my mall is literally going crazy. They have so much sales right now. Everything in their store is like $3, $1, $2. I don't really know why. I did get this one pair of shorts. These were $3, and they're supposed to be $23. They're really cute. Everybody knows I don't wear jean shorts, but I'm trying to get back into it. This is what they look like. You probably can't tell because they're not buttoned, but it has a bunch of buttons, and they're just high-rise light wash. And then here's what the butt looks like. The bottom fits me really well. It is a little bit tight in my waist, but that's always my problem. Like, stuff will either fit in my waist and not my butt, or it will fit in my butt and not my waist, so we're just gonna have to wait and make it work. And then we went to Target, and I just got some restock things. I ran out of my CeraVe facial moisturizer, which is my favorite moisturizer ever, and I love their PM one. It's ultra lightweight. It's so good. Bay, and it's drugstore, and it's so good. And then I also ran out of my face wash. Normally I use the Clean and Clear face washes, the one that looks like this. The one that I usually buy is the Clean and Clear orange bottle and the Clean and Clear blue bottle, and it normally comes in a pack for like $7 or $8, and they were selling them individually for $5, and I didn't want to pay that much, so I just got the Target brand one. Invigorating facial cleanser compared to Clean and Clear Morning Burst cleanser, which is the one I normally use. I was like, it's pretty much the same thing. It's okay. It still has the little beads and everything in it, just like the Clean and Clear one is. So I'll let you know, this was like $3, which is good. That's all the stuff that I bought though. I really didn't need anything, but I have a problem with spending money. I got really good deals on everything though, so that was fun. That was pretty much like our family outing. I'm gonna end this vlog here. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I had so much fun filming this vlog. I got my nails done, I hung out with Cole, we went shopping. With all that being said, I love you guys. I'm currently doing driver's ed right now because I'm almost done. Literally like almost done, so close to being done. I'm taking driver's ed online. A lot of people I know took classes of driver's ed, but I didn't want to do that because normally you take it with your friends, and all my friends had already taken it. So I'm doing it online, which takes so much time, but after I do like another hour and take the final test, which is 50 questions, then I'll be done. I'll pass this, I'll get the certificate in the mail, and then I can go take my license test on March 17th. Hopefully I pass. Thanks for joining my little haul. I ramble too much, but I love you guys, and I will hopefully see you in my next vlog. Okay, peace in the Middle East.